matching. We are matching.
Afike athi jean, sweater, kikimboboza.
Molweni bantase, Wamkelekile KwaMqina. So this was a very impromptu outing for Zani. We went to his school earlier and found out that he did exceptionally well for term 1, so we decided to go out and celebrate him. In this family, we celebrate small, big, medium wins. We all about celebrating anything and everything, so enjoy.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want, all of your love. East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Still to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Oh, you see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet.
Guys, I just got to my sister's and I want to convince her to makandi kape. I want to get either a deep freezer and a dishwasher. Our dishwasher is leaking, so I want us to change that, or a dishwasher and a tumble dryer. The one my mom had given me, I want to give to her. I know she's gonna say no, but let's try our luck.
Outfit check. So, okay, you go first.
Okay, so my top is from Woolworth,
Okay.
and my jeans from Zara, and Crocs from Crocs.
Crocs from Crocs. My Crocs are from Crocs.
Yes.
My pants are from downtown. They're from downtown Jersey. I had a runner get them for me. They are so cute, guys. Jongan. They are so cute. And my top is from Woolies. And my bucket hat is from Fabiani. And my earrings are from Zara. Not Zara. Shein. My earrings are from Shein. But this is how I look. We are matching. We are matching. Yo, yo, yo.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your
Linketelela ukuphuza.
Yekuphuza.
A sign. You're one of these houses.
You accepted
Listen.
Jesus in a different way. I
Listen.
accepted Jesus in
Listen.
knowing Jesus, you made water out of.
Let
You
me-
made
let me-
water,
let me tell you.
and then you made alcohol.
Yeah.
You didn't say which percentage. Lord,
Listen,
Heavenly
Mamela.
Father.
Another thing.
So
Let me tell you.
I chose to drink what the Lord made.
Hey,
Alcohol.
Mamela.
Mina choose any water.
Mamela, this house, how it's any alcohol. That's
But
why
I'm
this
not
has
in the
happened.
house. I'm in there. What is this thing? This thing. Balcony.
That's why it happened.
A balcony.
in my house.
Balcony. And then you say, possession.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually.
What do you want?
I get it on my way.
Okay. Ooh, I'm going to bath. Do you want me to scrub myself? Or you'll scrub me? Scrub. Hallelujah. He's going to scrub. Bazonyoba. Bazonyoba.
Man,
Under 16, under 18.
PG.
Oh, this one I'm dating for, I don't know, but I don't know, doesn't matter.
But you love the other one.
Oh, next door. Even though, you know, so it's a Friday yesterday. Today is Saturday, right? Oops, I forgot my phone. Phathe heart attack. Uyafika umuntu wami lunch time. Oh Nkosi yami. Sigqoka ama jean, ngama, you know, sweaters, whatever, if it's cold, whatever, you know, amateki. Afike athi jean, sweater, kikimbabaza.
Wamkelekile ufedile. Akashap Nolu.
Yeah. And then I'm there and my friend was there.
It means kibale ba tsoga go beteng. Abana di slippers ba ibetsa ka kick and bobos.
And then my friend is there. Pali says like to Kanti, why ungenzi isn't alright? Ngithi we broke up because he didn't buy me juice. Imagine.
Another thing.
Another thing, unkotha ijuice yami kanjani uzokhotha more things. Ijuice ye 35 rand. Ngithi ngikhohle kusho ukuthi angimu kicking bubbles. If you wear fucking kicking bubbles, take that shit down. Take that shit down.
Brush. Or sapi brush leyo chu.
Ay.
So uthathi brush and then uziti from here. Uziti
Z.
all round.
Oh, with husband.
Yes, Annie.
Can I help?
Yes.
Okay.
Uzise all the way round.
Oh.
Ne?
The bus is
And then
tickling
meso,
me.
and then you take ilento, your pillow, your clear, ne? And then ubophe so. Then after that, ubambe uti. Then just under, just follow around.
To make sure that everything is gone. What happens ke xa ndihlambe toilet kune steam?
They are gonna moshakala. But as long as ungazuthatha ixesha, but if you're gonna like
Ndingavula umnyango.
yeah.
With the steam spoon.
Yeah, but you can still uhlambe with the steam as long as you but if uzothatha like 30 minutes ume under the shower uthini then uzomosheka, but if uyahlamba nje uphume uzophuma sese right.
Ndingayikhuphi iqhiyi.
No.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
The last time I saw myself looking like this was pre-matric. I used to have relaxed hair, nending like gelmos, or tiny convenience. Then I felt like, you know what, I'm this jechile and it was falling off, and my friend was just like, let's remove them. I agreed, and I agreed mainly because I felt like, you know what, I'm going to varsity, new environment, new me. Then I started my natural hair journey. That's where I met my husband. I met him in university. Guys, he has never seen me like this. Never. And I look forward to his reaction. I want to see if he'll see if he can tell the difference. But guys, as I'm like my scalp is accessible. Like this silk press. I'm just tempted to relax so much and just get it over and done with. Change is always good. That's why I'm just like, should I not? Guys, I'm so happy. Like, like girls, you know what, campaign should come after I do my hair, my nails. I want to be like, oh, maintenance is stressing me, but I must just do this and put a dupe on, and I hope and pray it lasts for long because it feels good. My head feels light, like, and I like that I can wake up, comb my hair, edges and out, as opposed to, yo, let me do a high puff, let me convenience on 100. I'm all about convenience, but let's go see Slu's reaction. Let's go see Slu's reaction. Zani, how does my hair look?
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you, baby. Zani says my hair looks nice. It's beautiful. He also has never experienced umamake. Black is a number. Black is a number. So let's go home.
Umama wenzani endlalisa umntwana. Umama wenzani endlalisa umntwana. Shipononana shamama kena. Shipononana shamama kena. No, shamama kena. Shipononana shamama kena.
Oh, wenzile Zulu kanye nomhlaba Yehovungu malusiwa.
Jesus, shakarabakanda.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, wow. I can go get drama.
Engakanani yona.
Umfilo wangena emoyeni lo.
Uzokwenza ukuthi ngingabelieve ama worshipers.
Izinto. Straight away.
It's part of the song.
Hayibo, lona kuzeka.
Ay, son.
Ukamba kukubona.
I'm telling you. Yeah.
I pakad.
Daddy, move away.
Welcome, Breezy. Saying, there's a bite tonight.
Oh, Daddy.
Uyaqala kunibona ngenolezi
Look at mommy,
straight.
so pretty.
Whoa.
Tell mommy she's so pretty. Say you're so pretty, Nolu.
So wow. Hot. Ice cream.
Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you guys are all well. The last time I saw you was actually the last time we spoke was yesterday when I was at my sister's house, but I am back. I hope my hair beneath this is still surviving. I'll check it out as soon as I'm done with this haul. But my mom sent my sister and I to Zara to go check out a few things, right? And it ended up Denzi haul. I didn't need anything from Zara, but maybe it's true to imali cheesy packet. So without further ado, okay, let me start with this thing. I bought Zani this perfume or this cologne or this, it says cologne actually. They didn't have the bigger ones. This was 50 Rand from Zara. My friend had introduced me to these Zara colognes for kids. You would have seen the other vlog when we went to Zani's school, the Spider-Man one, and I bought the Spider-Man one. That one is 150 and this one is 50 Rand. They didn't have other ones. I bought him these track suits. The back looks like this. It has, it's not a pocket, but the back looks like this. Bought him like a plain t-shirt that looks like this. Guys, I feel like this is going to be big for some odd reason. It says 6. You know what? If they're big, I'll just keep them. I'll just keep them and he won't wear them. I want to start with Zani's things. I bought him a bath towel from Zara as well. So I want him to change his bath towel. He'll use this one now. I bought him this tea as well. I thought it was so cool, guys. Like, I thought it was so cool. I like the pocket. I like this pocket. I'm a cool kid. This one I bought with the shorts. I want him to wear it with the shorts. Then I'm a cool kid. I don't know if it will fit him, but I want him to dress like this. This is the slip that gives me heart palpitations still. This one is another tracksuit from Zara, which looks like, I want to see what it has. Oh, it has another tracksuit from Zara. Then another one from Zara. This one is also from Zara. I am preparing for winter already, so that when winter starts, I'm not scrambling. Okay, this is for Sue. Undergo by order. I'm preparing for winter already, so that when winter starts, I'm not under pressure. And I know. So if so, Sue and I decided when Zani was born that we were not gonna allow him to wear branded stuff. But I thought that I should get this for Christmas and New Year's. I hope it will. This is a Lacoste shirt. It's for Christmas. This one is for Christmas. I just need to go look for chino pants that he'll wear. And this one is for New Year. It's also a Lacoste shirt. It just says, I'll always be there for you. I think I liked that. I'll always be there for you. By the same brand. So, okay, these are back to front because Lou had to fit them. I actually need to take these back because I bought him a medium and they don't fit him. Did you take out the label? This is, I think he removed the label. Oh, here it is. I'll put it on the button. But this is a Boss shirt. You guys, Imalia Gulisa. This is a boss shirt that we bought, but let me put it on the label. He wasn't with me when I went to Zani. I left Zani with Lorna, and my sister and I went to go get stuff for my mom, and we actually ended up gallivanting the streets. I'll just put in the label because these need to go back. This one and another shirt. And he also got a Lacoste shirt. Yeah. He also got a Lacoste shirt to match Zani. But it looks, I liked the color and this detailing over here, but they have to go back. I think we are looking for a large, also because we are lifter brother and the muscles ziyavela, so it's too tight. It fits him perfectly. I feel like if his muscles get a tad bigger, then we are in big trouble. Hence I said to him, it's only these two. Masbuyele. We also bought him this Stephen shirt. Yeah. Plain white tee. Yo guys, nothing beats a plain white tee. And yeah, mangas, this Stephen shirt is a medium, but it fits him. Maybe it's because it's just an ordinary round neck shirt. And I na bazangzang. This is for me, it's from Zara. It's a hoodie. It's, guys, stop fitting clothes with makeup on. Like Jongan. This has makeup on it. But it's an oversized hoodie that is, I like these hoodies. It's similar to the one I wore from Woolworths yesterday. Uitinji. And you can go gallivant outside the streets. Also bought myself this Zara white tee. It's not a t-shirt, it's a shirt. And I liked this t-shirt because you can dress it up and dress it down. Guys, I need to fit this shirt actually. It also has makeup, Joanne. It also has makeup on it. Guys, do you want me going forward to do like try-on hauls, or this will suffice? Also bought myself some tights. I'm actually waiting for gym tights. I'm also waiting for a Shein order, my Shein order, which has gym gear. Umuntu amuthi ukhathele dimandi gym again skippers abo bafana and my dad's old t-shirts and his shirts. So yeah. I took out my Shein haul, and you know what? If you let me know that you want try on hauls, then I'll try on the gym gear when it gets here. I also got him these pants from Zara, and this is how they look. They have pockets. They actually give me filet cargo pants. I want him to fit these. He says they fit him, but guys, the next race. This one is also a two-piece from Zara. When he saw this, he's just like, can we go on holiday? It's a gray two-piece from Zara. Guys, cool kid. Two-piece from Zara. It matches this as well. Guys, I don't even want to tell you how much I spent, because I initially thought these things would cost me 4,000 Rand. But boy was I mistaken. Double. But you know what? I console myself by saying we're preparing ourselves for winter. We bought things on, some of these things were on sale, and I'm just like, did I really have to? But you know what? Let me finish cleaning. Emma's not here for the weekend. She went home, so I just want to finish cleaning and start preparing Sunday lunch. So let's go.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know Be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams, everything, go on now. Be good, be fine. Live your life. Live your life.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the truth? My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pouring rain. You shower your love on everyone with a power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover of all beings. My Redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. Any good that I am, it all comes from you. Any love that I have, it all comes from you. Any joy that exists, any peace that persists, you will make all things new. Life alone comes from you, my maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover of all beings. My Redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7 every other